Today, I am reviewing the PLC01 leg extension leg curl machine from RitFit. Can you actually have a leg extension leg curl machine in your home gym for around $400? We're gonna find out today. I'm gonna put this machine to the test. I'm gonna load it up as heavy as I can, and we're gonna see how it handles a hardcore workout. I've reviewed a few of these in the past, and there was always a problem that I ran into that just made it not feel very good. This PLC01 has the solution to that problem. This is super easy to build, and they use several pieces that are 2x3 in the construction of the base. When you're bolting together these rectangular pieces on these frames, if there's not a metal plate on the opposite side where you're bolting, you can over torque that bolt and dent the metal. What RitFit has done, they welded these rectangular plates everywhere that they would go. So they're already attached to the beams. Everywhere that two beams connect, you have these overlapping lips that add stability. This makes it extra stable. I also like this type of bolt. It makes it easier to put the rack together. The pins that you pull out are nice. Everything is high quality. Check out this sundial piece. The location of these holes is perfectly designed. When you use the last hole, the leg extension arm is almost too far back, which is awesome. I want the furthest stretch I can get, so I would rather put it on that very furthest hole, and it takes me extra effort to get into position to get started. That is exactly what I want. I can get the maximum possible stretch and a full range of motion. This is a critical design element that is a must for me on any home leg extension machine that I'm gonna get. Keep in mind, you do want to use the weight clip to hold the plates in place. They will gradually work their way towards the end of the weight holder. What RitFit did on this machine is they added this pulley. When these are plate loaded like this without the pulley, as the arm comes up, it changes the angle that the weight is to the arm, and it feels heavier or lighter in different areas. RitFit has solved that problem with this design. This is the best design for a home leg extension machine. What the pulley does is the resistance that you feel is the same at the beginning of the movement, the middle of the movement, and the end of the movement. That's huge to me. You get a consistent weight throughout the entire range of motion. Now, that comes with a trade-off. So whatever weight you put on there, let's say you put 100 pounds, it feels like 66 pounds. So it's a 2-to-3 ratio in the actual weight to what you feel. The max load that they recommend for this machine is 375 pounds. I loaded it with 7 plates for 315 pounds. It was too heavy for me to get 12 reps. With 6 plates on there, it felt awesome. I was able to get like 15 to 17 perfect reps and hit total failure. So I felt 180 pounds. I loaded it to 270 pounds. What does all that mean? It means that you have to load it a little bit heavier than you would if you didn't have the pulley. But the pulley solves the biggest problem with all of these machines. So it is worth the trade-off. I would much rather have to load it heavier and have a pulley that gives me a perfect range of motion. The backrest has 4 adjustable positions, so you can do leg extensions leaning way back or even almost completely flat to get even more of a stretch. The one thing that I would have liked is a slightly bigger seat. I like a seat that comes out and hits me right behind the knees. I'm a bigger guy, I'm 6'3", 280 pounds. If I lean the backrest back, I can scoot back further on the seat and get that same feel. It's got some weight storage, which is nice because it adds stability. So if you're the kind of person that likes to train where you swing the weight around and you go for more dynamic movements on the leg extension or leg curls, you can have that extra stability. Leg curls felt good. You can do leg curls lying flat, or you can even try doing them standing. I was able to get a full stretch at the bottom and a good contraction at the top. I also noticed that instead of being perfectly flat, I'm at a slightly downward angle, a little more than I'm used to. So one of the remedies for that is you can put a pad underneath your stomach, and that'll kind of raise you up to a more level angle. At the price they're offering this, I found it on sale. Some of the craziest pricing for something like this in your home. It's actually way better than I expected. I've tried a couple of these that did not have the pulley and they did not feel that good. But on this machine with the pulley, it feels exactly the same at the full stretch position as well as at the full extension. I have to have this design going forward on any leg extension machine that I have. The only alternative to get that same feel would be to get an included weight stack. There's a leg extension leg curl machine that I want that has the included weight stack. It's like 5 or 6 times the cost of this one machine. So that would not work for me. That is not in my budget. So if you want a leg extension leg curl machine and you want it at an ultra budget price, but you don't want to compromise on the design, like you want that full range of motion and you want that feel of the weight being consistent throughout the entire range, this is the way to go. I would definitely recommend it. If you want to get one, you can use the link in the description below, and that helps me out, and I appreciate that. But that's all I got. More cool stuff to come. Keep grinding.